Cosmic Metaphysics, the Infinity Symbol, created, directed, and presented by Reverend Dr. Dikki Jo Mullen. In this video, Dr. Mullen will explore the intersection of the cosmic lemniscate, or the lazy eight as it is referred to, and our life journey.
This is Reverend Dr. Dikki Jo Mullen in Orlando, Florida, with our series about astrology and metaphysics. Today's topic is the infinity symbol, the secrets of the lazy eight. Infinity is one of the most popular and powerful and mystical of all the different symbols that we can observe incorporated within everyday objects. Take a rubber band. Here's one right here, which is really just a simple one-dimensional circle. The circle is a zero. It has no beginning and no end. It just goes around and comes back again. But if we take it and give the rubber band a twist, just once in the middle like that, all of a sudden everything changes. And presto, there are two circles, zero atop zero, flexible and mobile. This is the figure 8, the infinity symbol, also called the cosmic lemniscate. When looking into a good camera lens, the 8 will appear again, indicating the infinity of the focus. Infinity, it's the concept of endlessness. It never changes signs, and there's no other symbol in all of the universe anything like it. Everything else has a beginning and an ending, but not infinity. It's everywhere, and yet it's nowhere. Those who would bless dwellings consider the figure 8 most fortunate when it's incorporated into an address. Careful observation when you're visiting the home of a mystic will often reveal a figure 8 symbol, penciled in near the threshold, perhaps, to invoke a blessing. The idea is that this sign, the figure 8, the lazy 8, can be drawn with a single sweep of the hand. It's an oscillating figure. Back and forth, it suggests many pairs of opposites, thought and imagination, night and day, chaos and order. In studies of brainwave activity, the concept of the infinity symbol is linked to the epsilon waves, 0.5, which indicate meditation, ecstasy, and a cosmic consciousness. In many tarot decks, the infinity symbol will appear on several cards, usually on its side as a lazy 8. If you look at the Magician, key 1 in the tarot deck, and key 8, the Strength card, they're portraying a focus of truth beyond appearances and transcending illusions. Also on the 2 of Diamonds or 2 of Pentacles, the lemniscate will turn up again as a fluid 8 that's outlined by a juggler balancing 2 coins. This illustrates the idea of endless motion, balancing of pairs of opposites, values and duality. Perhaps infinity is the single symbol which most aptly describes the complete meaning of life. As an endless outpouring of radiant energy, it's a reminder that everything goes on, and on and on and on. The change in consciousness precedes the idea of showing the way to understand true being. Health and happiness are found while living within the layers of order and chaos. Contemplate this idea while looking at the lazy 8. It brings attention to the goal of self-mastery. It traces critical boundaries to keep in mind. Swinging from side to side, the path of the 8 suggests mortality, life then death, followed by reincarnation or new life. Eventually, if the boundaries are stretched too far, though, within limits the 8 will split, and the result then becomes an unpredictable future. The wise will keep this in mind while perusing free will within limits. Explore and experience all that life has to offer, yet don't tempt fate might be the ultimate message that's portrayed by this profoundly significant symbol. Those who seek truth through esoteric numerology and number codes will find that working with Fibonacci numbers, this is a series that addresses infinity with the magic of 8, can be helpful. For example, take 89 and divide it by 55. This equals 1.618181818, and so on into infinity. This number sequence goes on, and it's just one of the messages we can find encoded in the infinity symbol 8. It can't be visualized or resolved. Along with the Big Bang Theory, the explosion which began the universe maybe, there's a curved space effect here, the ever-collapsing distant theory of black holes beyond our solar system that go on and on and on, inward and inward and inward. The 8 suggests that. What else does the picture of infinity suggest to you? Is it a good idea to pursue this any further? Maybe, and maybe not.